In this tutorial, we're going to focus on section 2.1, which is solving one-step equations. For most of you, this should be a walk in the park. But just in case you're getting a little stuck or you forgot some of the basic rules, this is what this tutorial is designed for you. So let's look at the first problem. In both questions, I'm actually going to solve each equation and then I'm going to make sure I'm going to check my answer. So in this first one, let's look at what we have. We have our variable v. We have a constant of 2300 and our solution is supposed to equal a negative 800. So my operation is addition, so I'm going to do the inverse of that, which in this case would be subtraction. And to balance out my equation, I have to do it on both sides. So right here I get 0. And right here, a negative minus a negative actually means we're going to add both of them, and our answer will still be negative. 800 plus 2300 is 3100. So I'm now going to bring down my v, bring down my equal sign. So I have v, because I have nothing here, 0, equals negative 3100. Well, now I need to check my work. And in the book you saw how they did this. Basically you just write your equation on top. Go ahead and use a different color here. V in this case plus 2300 equals negative 800. They draw a little line right here. So as we go through this, we should get negative 800. And what we do is, starting with the equation, we're going to plug in our answer, which in this case we got was 3100 negative 3100 plus 2300. And as you can see, when we add a negative plus a positive, the signs are different. We're actually going to subtract. And in this example, our answer will be negative. And 3100 minus 2300 is actually a difference of 800, which is exactly what we got. So we did it correctly. So now let's hop over onto this question over here. Now we have a different situation. We have our variable, which is h, divided by our constant. So as we also learned today, the way we can undo division is by multiplying by its reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this problem real quick right here. Now when we multiply by the reciprocal, we can see this is just a 1 over 8.1. So when I multiply that, the reciprocal would be 8.1 over 1. But I have to do it to both sides to balance my equation out. Now, notice what happens here. These will cancel out, and I'm left with just h equals, and then I'm going to multiply these off to the side. So my answer will be 32.4, and I'm going to look at my signs. A negative times a positive is in fact a negative. And again, we can go ahead and check our work with the same idea. So we have our problem on top, a little bar separation, and the answer we got was negative 32.4 over 8.1, and if you actually were to divide this, you would in fact get negative 4, but I'm not going to show you that because I'm running out of space. But anyways, that is the idea. So we have reciprocal over here that we used, and over here we added the inverse. That's all there is to it. Good luck.